to be doing right now is we are going to be swapping this coin to 8 BNB smart chain coin. Okay, so if you want to see how it is being done, then I advise you to watch this video to the very end, because every part of this video is very important. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sly. So right in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim this LARO token. I mean the LARO airdrop. So this airdrop, you can easily claim it and swap it immediately just by doing what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so let's go to the first step. Let's go back to my wallet. So right inside the wallet, you can see that there's no balance here. I mean, there's nothing right in this wallet right now. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to try to add that airdrop contract address first. Then when we add it, then we're going to be claiming the coin. I'll show you how to claim the coin, then how to also swap the coin. Okay, so first thing you need to do right now is you go to your browser. If you are using another phone that say the app, go to your D app, then come to the address bar. Then I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. Okay, so this is the link right here. So I'm going to also drop this link at the description of this video. Then you click enter. When you click enter, then it takes you to the airdrop page. Okay, so before we claim this airdrop, I want us to see a few things on this page. Okay, so let's wait for it to load up. I think it's loading up now. Okay, so it says Anito Legend is a video game that is releasing an iOS, Android, PC, Mac. Player need to purchase NFT asset to be able to play the game. The game also utilizes Jinto and LARO token that can be bought for in-app purchase as player cosmetic equipment and more. Anito Legend is a game that utilizes some play and earn mechanism. It is not an investment opportunity, nor it is an invitation to invest. So I'm going to click on I understand. Then when I click on I understand, what you need to understand is that this Anito Legend is a game. Okay, so when you are playing the game, you can purchase the LARO token or the Jinto token to maybe to battle the person you are playing with. Okay, so they also have the NFT blind box common. Okay, so contain a unique, contain Anito NFT, 30 days to unlock a charm, all of those. So you can purchase, you can just read through, all of this. Then you can also download the game client if you want to try out the game. Okay, so say welcome to our Anito Legend. Then where we are going exactly, so let's keep scrolling. It says build your Anito into Legend and win PvP battle to earn Jinto token. Okay, so they also have a short video here that you can quickly watch. They also have another video here. Okay, so because they have NFT, they also have a marketplace where people can easily purchase those NFT. Okay, so let's scroll down a little bit. Say Anito Legend will automatically play a battle. Anito with highest 80k always open the battle round. Anito have 2 bars, green for life and red for armor rating. Okay, so if you look at it here, you see it here, then see it here, see the blue one here, then see the green one there. Okay, so say Anito can equip, so it's majorly game. Okay, so what we need to do, if you want to read more about their game, then you can easily read more about their game. Okay, so you see that the countdown for this token is counting down. The ending period for this airdrop is counting down already. Okay, so and it's going to be listed by 15/2022. Okay, so and you can also buy the LARO with BNB. Okay, so right now what we want to do right now is we want to try to add the contact address. Okay, so copy. So I'm going to put the link where you can copy the contact address and the link. Okay, so also if you invite your friends, then you can also claim some free BNB and free LARO. Okay, so right now we are going to claim 3,000 LARO. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. So I've copied the contact address, then I'm going to go back to my wallet. So I'll click here. When I click that, then I'll click the plus icon at the top. So I'm going to change the network. It's a BNB project. Then I'm going to click paste. So when I click paste, you see the decimal, the symbol. Okay, so it's okay. Then I click done. Okay, so we have it here already now. So let's go back. Let's check if it's here. Okay, so we have it here now. Then we go back to our browser. When we go back to the browser, then we click this link again. Click that link. Then we come to here. Then we click claim 3,000 LARO. So when you click that, you have to connect your. Okay, let's go back. First thing we have to do is we have to change the network from Ethereum because of the transaction charges. Then you click this. So when we click that, then we click this. Okay, so when we click that, then you click connect. Okay, so you have to pay some BNB transaction fee. So right inside this wallet, there's no BNB here. So if you have your BNB, claim this token straight away. Once you claim it, then you are going to have your 3,000 LARO airdrop. Okay, so you are going to have your 3,000 LARO airdrop. After you claim it, then you see that it has shown in your wallet. Then you can easily click on LARO swap. When you click on LARO swap, okay, let me click that. Let's see. It's loading. Okay, so when you click on LARO swap, then if you want to swap all the 3,000 LARO, then what you are going to get is 8 BNB. Okay, so you don't need to change anything here. Just click connect, then select Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Coinbase. Okay, so it's going to show you your wallet address. Then just click swap. So it's going to swap it immediately for you. It's going to, trust me guys, it's going to swap it immediately for you. So once I swap this, I'm going to do the second video about this airdrop. Then I will drop it for you. Okay, so don't sleep on this, don't miss this. There are new airdrop now that are actually paying a good amount of BNB. Okay, that you can easily swap instantly. Okay, so I'll be dropping more of this free airdrop for you right on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I love you all.